Who was the first person to wear underwear? Nobody knows exactly who did it, but imagine being the second person to see it. For thousands of years, humans just walked around wearing whatever they could find. Animal skins, leaves, weird pieces of cloth. Then one day, someone looked at their outfit and thought, you know what this needs? A smaller outfit underneath my outfit. And just like that, underwear was born. The oldest known underwear was found in Egypt and is over 5,000 years old, which means even ancient Egyptians were worried about comfort, support, or maybe just avoiding the world's most uncomfortable sand. But underwear wasn't always normal. At different times, people wore linen shorts, giant underpants, wool underwear, and things that looked less like clothing and more like a punishment. And somehow everyone agreed this made sense. Think about it. Pants already exist. Yet humans decided pants needed their own tiny pants. It's one of those inventions nobody questions anymore, like chairs, or doors, or putting candles on a cake and blowing on them before everyone eats it. But somewhere in history, a person woke up, tied a piece of fabric around their most sensitive body parts, and accidentally started a tradition followed by billions of people. And that's why, right now, you're probably wearing pants with smaller pants, hiding underneath them.